Hey guys, how's it going? Today's your boy LetsGoBJones, and today I got another amazing video for you guys. Today we're gonna do a quick, simple unboxing from a brand called UNDERCONTROL. Let's get it, you guys. Here is the box, you guys. So they ended up sending me about 4 separate hats. Right now, as you guys can see, oh, this is a pretty nice hat. So this hat retails for 38,000 won. So let's say about $35. And it's a nice little hat. Let's try it on. It fits pretty well, okay? And as you guys can see, it does have like a little strap in the back so that it is adjustable for different head sizes. Cause y'all know I got this big old Colossus head. But I think it fits really nice. What do you guys think of this hat right here? Let's look at the back. What do you guys think of this hat? Let me know in the comments below. Would you guys rock this hat? It looks fresh. I'm excited to wear it out in public, and it makes my hair look really nice. You guys, how do I look? I look really nice. I think I look cute. Let's check out the next hat, you guys. Another one right here. Ooh, this one's more like a feminine one, but that doesn't mean anything. And the inside is red barrette leather hat. It's black and it's 44,000 won, so maybe about $40 USD. Ooh, it's a little tight on me, but I mean, it could be, for me, it's a little small on the head. Is there a way to make it a little bit bigger? It does have a strap inside it to make it adjustable, I guess. But I think for me, my head's probably too big for this one. So I could probably just give it to the missus and she can rock it. I think this is also a good hat. Just the style of it itself. It has nice leather, it's black. It makes my head look a little poofy. Like, check, what do you guys think? It does make my head seem a little poofy, but I don't think that's a problem. But for me, my head is a little too big for this hat. I think this hat is more for smaller head people, but I think overall it's a nice hat. It's leather and it's very well constructed. The stitching is really nice. And then we got another one right here. We got a beanie. Here we go. As you can see, there's a nice stitching on it. And this is called the Beanie Monk Fit Mustard. This retails for 26,000 won, which is probably like $23. And let's try it on real quick. It's stretchy, so I mean, if it wasn't stretchy, I wouldn't fit my big old head, but I feel like it fits quite well right now. Okay, so what do you guys think of this hat? What do you think of this yellow mustard look? So right here, I'm gonna do a little pose. What do you guys think? How do I look in this one? Do I look cute? Do I look good? I don't know. I feel like this is a nice little hat. I'm excited. I think that this hat can match with a bunch of other stuff. And it even just matches with black. Yellow's a good color. Yellow does match with everything. What do you guys think of this hat? Does it look fresh? How does it look on me? Let me smile. You know who I look like? I look like Terrace from So Not Worth It on Netflix. You all should check that out. That's my young in there. And we got one more hat in this box that they send me. Check it out. It's the, oh, check this one out. Ooh, ooh. Okay, you guys, they sent me a bucket hat. Yeah, this is the tan bucket hat, I believe. Oh, check this out right here, you guys. It has like a nice metal piece thing here. Looks pretty cool. Okay, there's a sizing setting in here. So if you do have a big head or a small head, you can find a sizing that fits you. And let me put this on. Damn, this is really deep. This is super deep. So this is the hat. As you can see, it's a pretty nice hat, nice little bucket hat. It does have its little metal piece right here. It's adjustable size. And it's pretty fresh. What do you guys think? How do I look? I feel like I look like an old samurai guy. It's just like, I think that's pretty cool, you guys. Yeah, I look pretty fresh in these hats. The 4 hats that they sent me. This is called the mold cap. We got the beanie, the mustard beanie. We got the barrette, you know. And then we got the one that I'm wearing right now is the bucket hat. So yeah, you guys, if you guys like these products or anything, make sure you guys check the links in the description below and order from them or whatever. And like always, you guys, make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, do all that good stuff because it really does support the channel. And leave in the comments below which your favorite hat was. Was it number 1, 2, 3, 4? Anyways, you guys, like always, take care and fighting.